Welcome back to French Action with Jenny. French Pronunciation for Beginners is a new series which I dedicate to my friend Anne-Marie. She will recognize herself, I'm sure. I guess, just like her, you are not sure how to pronounce the words in French. So let's do it together, one step at a time. And today, with the first letter of the alphabet. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! If you have watched my very first video and it was on the alphabet, you would know that the first letter is A. A. Even with an accent. A. So let's read this. La, ma, ta, sa, va. So each time you're going to use the sound A. Now let's read this line. You're going to see three words. There's an S at the end, a T or a D, but it doesn't matter because it's silent and it's still A. Ba, ra, tar. So ba means low, ra means rat, and tar means late. You will soon find out that one letter and one vowel in particular can be combined with another one to give you a different sound. So if we add an I to the A, it's no longer going to give you A, but E. E. Like in this, j'ai, I have, j'ai. Lait, which means ugly. And we have another lait, which is milk. And if I want to say house, I'm going to say maison. Maison. Ma maison. My house. Now we are going to have another sound because we are adding a consonant, an L or double L and E. So if you look at this, garlic is in French ail. Ail. Travail, which means work. Travail. And if I want to say I work, I would say je travaille. Je travaille. And here I would like to pronounce the word straw. Une paille. Paille. Now let's just have an AL, and that gives you the sound al. Journal for newspaper, and cheval for horse. Journal, cheval. And if you think about the adjective which is final, it's going to be final. Final. Je répète, journal, cheval, final. Now a different sound, no longer with the L, but with the N or the M. Whether it's N or M, it's the same sound. Un. Un. And you can feel it through your nose. Un. Un. So can you guess the pronunciation of this word? Bain, which is a bath. Bain. Sain, which means healthy. This for bread, pain. And this is a hand, we're going to say main, ma main, my hand. So here we have two words which are pronounced the same. Demain, which means tomorrow, and deux mains, two hands. Interesting, isn't it? So a word with AIN, this, a toaster. Un grille-pain, un grille-pain. And now let's look at the AIM. J'ai faim. I'm hungry. J'ai faim. J'ai faim. Now, what happens to the sound if I add an E? So I have un, and then it's going to change to N, like the letter N. Listen to this. Main, semaine. Train, traîne. Certain, certaine. This is a new sound with an N or an M. En. En. En means ear. Chanson for song. Chanson. Pantalon. Pantalon for pants. Écran. Ampoule. Lampe. Je répète, ampoule. Lampe. So I'm pronouncing the P, but the E is silent. Ampoule. Lampe. Champ. Campagne. Champ. Campagne. Now we have a different sound. AU or EAU gives you the sound O. Like this is water. O. O. Beau, pot, veau. Trois beaux chevaux. Three beautiful horses. Trois beaux chevaux. Here's a short sound discrimination exercise for you. Just select the word you hear. The answer will be given right after. Bonne chance! Pain. Taille. Mais. Maman. Bâton. Another exercise, and the last one, reading. Reading is very important because in the reading you're going to practice all the different sounds you've just seen. So let's do it. Ça va? Ça va. Oh là là! Tu as le journal de papa et le cheval de maman. Tu as faim? Voici du pain. Il fait chaud. C'est normal. J'aime le travail fait à l'aide d'une ampoule. La peau d'un animal, c'est beau. C'est ta taille, c'est certain. Il va au Japon. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Au revoir!